You see this weight gain meal, even if your baby is a picky eater, he or she would love it. It is so yummy and very easy to prepare. Let me show you. First, get your sweet potato and peel it. Please get the good one, because this my own, at a point I noticed that is bad. Some part is getting bad already, and it reduced the quantity of my meal somehow. So get a good one. Okay, peel it to perfection, then we'll proceed. Depending on the quantity that you want to make, you can add or reduce the potato. That's just it. There's not too many rules in this. Okay, you are the boss. You know what you want, you know the quantity that you want. If you want to make it a little bit bigger, then increase the quantity of the potato. We all know that potato is very good for babies. Like, it's rich in so many vitamins and minerals, like name them. You all Google it and see that potato is one of the key food that they do recommend for growing children. Okay, it enhances their weight gain very, very well, and it's so good, so yummy. I will pull up some tests to show you guys all the goodness this meal contains. Okay, after peeling it, go ahead and slice it into smaller sizes. Okay, so it can be easier for our blender to manage, to work with. And when you are done with that, go ahead and give it a quick wash, just a quick wash. Okay, give it a quick wash and transfer it to your cooking well, your pots. You're cooking with plates like me. Okay, so just go ahead and transfer it to anything that you want to cook it with, and you are good to go. Add some water to it and cover. Cook for 15 minutes or till it softens. Okay, because remember, we are preparing for a baby, so we want a very soft potato. So this one is okay, it's completely soft, so I'll just turn off the heat and allow it to cool down a bit. Then I'll get my hard-boiled egg, peel it off, and also set it aside. Now pour everything into your blender, the potato, the egg, and your baby's formula. Remember to dilute it with water before adding it there. Okay, or your breast milk. If you are still breastfeeding your baby, you can use your breast milk for this. Then blend it till it's smooth. And voila, we have our rich, nutritious meal. If you want your own to be a little bit lighter than this, you can add water, add more water when you are blending. Okay, but this is for a almost 2-year-old baby, but he likes baby food too much. He refused to transition into adult meal, so here I am still preparing smoothies for him. So go ahead and feed your baby. He or she will love it. It is so nutritious, so yummy, irresistible. Even me, the adult self, is licking hand. So see you next time. Remain blessed. Do check out my other videos. Bye.